Today we'll be making a chorizo and shrimp paella. First, we'll start with 1.5 cups of short grain rice, 1 diced onion, and 450 grams of dried chorizo. For our spices, we'll need 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon chili flakes, and half teaspoon salt. We'll also need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Finally, 3 cups chicken stock and 400 grams of tiger shrimp. To start, we'll heat our pan on medium heat and add in the olive oil. Once warm, we'll add in our onions and give it a good mix. Then we'll add in our chorizo and cook it for about 5 minutes, just until the onions are golden brown. Next, we'll add in our garlic and saute it for about another minute. Add in the tomato paste and mix it in completely. Now we want to add in the salt and all of our spices. Give it a good mix, and then we'll add in our rice, mix it in again, and make sure the rice is completely coated. Now we'll pour in all of our chicken stock and bring it to a simmer. Let this cook for about 15 minutes. After then, we can add in our shrimp and make sure to press them in gently into the rice and let it cook for another 10 minutes. When it looks like this, you can add in your vegetables and just cook it until all the water has evaporated. And there you have your paella. Enjoy!